The events of Contagion are starting to feel more real than ever. The film follows teams like the CDC and the World Health Organization as they fight to track down the source of a virus and find a vaccine as the world descends into a pandemic. While there are a lot of things the movie got right, there are also a lot of things it completely over-exaggerated, but there's no doubt that a lot of research went into creating this film based on what would happen during a real-life global health crisis. Here are 25 of the most interesting details in the film that you might have missed.
And stop touching your face, Dave.
Contact tracing is a very real way the World Health Organization traces a virus's roots. Finding patient zero is the best way to figure out where the disease came from and how many places it's spread to. But it's not always possible to find patient zero. Agents really do watch security footage, travel the world to interview people, and put themselves in danger by pursuing the disease. And even though they may have found patient zero, by the end of the movie, they're not sure how Gwyneth Paltrow first came into contact with the disease. But we get to find out that it was due to a chef not washing his hands after handling an infected pig. For most pandemics, an educated guess might be the best we have to work with. Healthcare workers really are put on the front lines of disease, but it doesn't mean that they're any more immune than the rest of us. Early on in the film, Kate Winslet lets us all know that people touch their faces thousands of times in one day. And before Kate's character gets sick, she tells her partner to stop touching his face so much, but later that same day, well, there you have it. It's hard to believe that a health professional would forget how important it is to keep your cell phone away from your face during a global pandemic, but it proves that it's not so easy to stop the spread of diseases. Are there any other interesting details you noticed in Contagion? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Screen Rant.